Hello, welcome. This is Alibaba.com. I'm going to show you around on how this platform works. You can see everything here is written in English. There is no need for translation. And luckily enough, you can see the minimum order quantity as 2 pairs. They all varies. This is 10 pieces as minimum order. This is 50 pieces. This is 200 sets. So minimum orders, they all vary on Alibaba.com. This is 300. You must buy at least 300 of these products. This is 1 piece. That means you can buy 1 piece. Most sellers use this thing as a sample. You can buy this set as 1 piece as the minimum order. If you have an AliExpress account, you can use AliExpress account to log into Alibaba.com. So let's start now to log in. If you don't have AliExpress account, you can join free. You can log in with your Facebook, or you can sign up with Facebook. You can sign up with LinkedIn, Twitter, any of the social media platform. Okay, let's try to log in with my own account. So I am logged into my Alibaba account. As you can see, things have changed. This is me. These are messages. These are orders. I have a pending payment order. These are things I already added to carts. Alibaba.com, there's what they call order request. You can book for a quotation. That means if you're looking for something like maybe you're looking for a phone charger, you can put in car phone charger. You can put in there. Then maybe if you're looking for 200 pieces, you can select what you're looking for. Okay, let's say we're looking for bags. Let me say men. In this template type, you may request for price, or you may request for sample, you may request for quotation details. So once we click on this request for quotation, this quotation will be sent to every sellers or suppliers that sell bag. Any of them can contact us directly from our request. That's how this quotation request works. In the next video, we're going to understanding how Alibaba works, from looking for products, product researches, and contacting sellers, then making orders.